to change Play Store password. So if you want to change the password of your Google Play Store, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm in this section of Play Store from where you'll be able to explore and install various apps over here. At the right over corner you can see here it's a profile displayed. You just can tap over the profile and down to it there's Google account option. You just have to tap over there. So the account logged into Google Play Store is your Google account. So if you change the password of your Google account, then the Google Play Store password will be automatically changed. There's the trick. And over here you will be able to see the various option at the middle section. You just have to swipe and go for the security option over here. And here you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see the password option. Now you just have to go for the password. For your verification, you need to first enter your current password and go for next new password. But if you forgot your password, then you can also go for forgot password option at the bottom, and by doing that you'll be able to reset your password and you don't need to come over here because you'll be already able to change the password. That's the thing. And if you remember, you can enter over here and go for next, and by doing that you'll be opened up to the text field where you can enter the new password and change the password. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries,